Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Sipo egg. This delightful Filipino dish is known for its rich, creamy sauce and colorful vegetables. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including quail eggs, carrots, and bell peppers. Then, we'll prepare a simple yet flavorful sauce that brings everything together. Get ready to create a comforting and satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion, even for a special family dinner. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Boil about 12 quail eggs until they are firm, then carefully peel them. Next, dice 1 carrot and 1 red bell pepper into small, manageable pieces. These will add both color and texture to our dish. In a pan, sauté minced garlic and sliced onion until they become aromatic and translucent. This forms the flavorful base for our Sipo egg. Now, let's combine everything. Add your diced carrots and a half cup of green peas to the pan with the sautéed garlic and onion. Cook these for a few minutes until they are slightly tender. Next, pour in 1 cup of evaporated milk and a half cup of chicken broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then stir in about 1/4 cup of grated cheese until it melts and the sauce thickens beautifully. Finally, it's time to finish our Sipo egg. Gently add the boiled quail eggs and the diced red bell peppers to the creamy sauce. Simmer for just a couple of minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together without overcooking the bell peppers. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Serve your warm, comforting Sipo egg immediately with a generous portion of steamed white rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.